Hello lightsaber friends, today I want to show you a new video. This time it's not about a lightsaber, but it's about my first cosplay. I bought from Amazon for about 60 euro, that's $60. So let's see what we can get with this really great price. So it's a small package. I bought Anakin Skywalker outfit. I wanted a Luke Skywalker, the black one from The Mandalorian, but I couldn't find one that's not from China, and I didn't want to wait 4 years before it comes. Okay. Let's see what we have here. That looks like the cloak. Okay, that's really big. Black pants. It could fit. Okay, I don't know what this is. This looks like a part of the belt. And another one. The belt itself, the part you can see. And another part, I don't really know what this is, but I will figure it out. I will try it on and I will show you in part 2 of the video. Okay,